Oh good, you're back. I was getting so lonely here. I missed all the hammering and the screwing. Wait, what's this up? Now you get in the sex machine, yeah? Oh, so you want to play tie up now. This is all very sexy. That's a nice knot for your Boy Scout. What, but you're a sailor, yeah? Oh, this is going to be very good for my back, yeah? It's been so sore. Don't stop there, I was just starting to enjoy it. You're having trouble, perhaps you should do some exercises. I know someone who can pump you up. I have a joke for you. What do you call a stool that they give you for free, but just one? A stool sample. Yeah. Oh, that was funny. It is caca humor. Is that it? Is the fun over? That was quick. I bet all the girls say that about you. Was ist das? Why is there a bucket here? Are you feeling sick? Hello, can you hear me down here? Why have you stuck me in this bucket? Wait, what is that? What? I am not C-3PO. I do not need an oil bath. If that is all you're going to do, I think I will be able to handle it. Heilige Scheiße! Hey, look, we tried to do this the easy way. We could have done it the easy way. But you had to make things difficult here. So yeah, now we'll do it the hard way. All right, I have got my cylinder head soaking in a bucket of 50% acetone, 50% ATF fluid. ATF fluid and acetone mixed together is the perfect creeping agent that lets you get into, loosening parts and stuff. So we'll see how that goes. I'm going to go buy an electric fuel pump so I can pump that slurry back into the bottles. But I will do that probably tomorrow.